you are from her village or because you are from her community, you are a fool. Because if you're mother Nama Kalelia, I don't condone evil. I see no evil and I know no evil. So if Nanyanya is sitting on the money that Biafrans have contributed, meant for ESN, she refused to put it in the ESN account. And DOS have warned her, have pushed her, have told her, put this money in the ESN account. And she refused. And she think that nobody is coming out to tell the world what is happening. She is a liar. I have come to educate my people, to update my people, to let them know what is happening from inside. Nanyanya is one of the people that is dragging this struggle backward, directly and indirectly. Nanyanya is part and parcel of the people that are dragging this struggle backwards because she doesn't want Biafra to come. Nanyanya wanted Biafra. We wanted her to continue talking, shouting and convincing people, come and join the struggle, let us move forward. For the next 20 years, that is what she wants. So that she will keep equipping herself, she keep enriching herself with the money that Biafrans are contributing to move the struggle forward. I am not going to be part and parcel of that rubbish. God forbid. And as I'm talking, I challenge Nanyanya to publish any payment slip she have used to send money to me. If she may claim that she have sent money to me, let she publish it. Let she show the world. In as much as I don't know evil and nobody can shut me up, this money that we are talking about now belongs to ESN, Eastern Security Network. The only network, the only security that is fighting for you and I, the only security that is fighting to secure our land, the only security network that is making sure that Boko Haram, ISWAP, and the Fulani herdsmen does not enter our land and take over our land and kill our people. This is the only security. And there's a money that was meant for them. That money is in the hand of Nanyanya and her cohort. I have not come to please you. I have not come to make you like me. I have not come to make you clap for me. I have not. I have not. I must continue saying it the way it is, without even minding if you believe it or you don't believe it. I don't care. What I know is that I will keep exposing her, and it will come to a stage where I will expose more things, more critical things about Nanyanya that you will hear and you will shout. And all of you are going to thank me later. All of you are going to send apology to me later. Why I'm mentioning Nanyanya, she's not the only one, no, but she is the one, she is the architect. She is the one in the front line, pioneering the people that are stealing our money. Let me mention their name once again for you to hear. Chinwe Edwin Nwachieke. Chinwe Edi Nwachieke. Chinwe Edi Nwachieke. Nanyanya. Ogbuefi. Chinyere Onwunyi. Chijoke Ndubisi. These are the people that are holding ESN money. Yes. There's more one person. Clement Okoro. Dr. Clement Okoro. These are the people that are holding ESN money. I see they're hot right now. The money, the money from December last year to January to this moment, money has been contributed. You can imagine a donation that was done since December. From December up to now, because how many months? 8 months, and they have not deposited the money in the ESN account. And he asked me not to talk. We got a money that was contributed in December, January, up to now, have not been deposited. Why? And what are they doing with the money? Why? Why would I keep quiet? Why will I not talk? The ego bala. Ego bala. Kandi anu zoka saroku neeli. Isim mechionu. Isim mechionu ga mwada lobi. Kono ni vera bundoshi na support for job because when you na support Nanyanya bonyoshi kobo. Anybody who is supporting Nanyanya is a thief. Anybody who is saying go and treat it inside, I am telling you that this issue is already being treated inside, and Nanyanya refuse. And if the US cannot come out and to speak the way I am doing, that is their office. This is my own office. My office allows me to speak evil, to condemn evil, to say it the way it is, and to mention names of those that are holding our money. That is what my office says. My office is an office of truth. Office is position office, where evil is never going to be condoned. I repeat, Nanyanya, Chinwe Edi Nwachieke, Chinwe Onwunyiri, and Okoro, Dr. Okoro, all of you, and Ndubisi should go and pay this money. I repeat, I won't let you people rest. Biafrans, if you people like these people, call them and begin to want them to go and pay this money. When are we enter into their privacies, into their private life, begin to tell the world who they are? What? Oh my goodness me! You people will not say, this guy. Truth is what is doing me now. If you're asking what is wrong with me, it is only truth that I want to say for these people to release the money, that the enemies are not going to overrun our land. Because if these guys in the bush get hunger, and that is what Nigeria government wants, for your information, they want these guys to be frustrated. They want this guy to move out of the bushes. They want this guy to stop fighting and defending our land, including the governors, all of them. They do not want this ESN to stand. And they are using the Nyanya, holding the fund that is meant for these people. They are holding this evil woman. Nyanya is evil. And I will tell you how evil she is if she refuses to release this money. Then I will know if Nyanya is greater than the whole Biafrans. I will know if Nyanya is greater than DOS. I will know if Nyanya is greater than Mazen Nnamdi Kanu. That you are juju Nyanya, that you are juju know the work for me. All the attack you are sending is falling on the bare floor. Because I don't want million. When he get mem. So someone na go mmiri. So someone da go mmiri. So someone jiro mmiri asalo. So someone je mmiri si. Ya bụ ni gworo ọgwụ ga he na agwọ ndị a nweta. You can never hurt me. Every of your incantation and your enchantment can never come close to me. My name is Chukwu Bikem. God is my strength. I am stronger than you in the physical and in the realm, in the spiritual realm. I am more powerful than you, Nyanya, and that person that is doing juju and voodoo for you in India. I am more stronger and powerful than all of you put together. You have been trying now, and you see. The more you try, the more you fail. And the more you fail, you spend your money, you waste your etiquette, you do all the things you are doing, using my pictures to do all your evil, and it is not working because truth is what is keeping me. Truth is open. I don't fear nobody. Now I'm holding myself for Biafrans. I am holding myself tight. I am trying not to go into Nenya private life. She is not even with a husband. She's not even married and living with a husband. I see. Oh God! I try me by into a private life. Tell her to pay this money. Tell her to pay this money. Tell her to pay this money. The money I'm talking about is not $10,000. It's not $5,000. It's not $3,000. It's not $2,000. I am talking about hundreds of thousands of dollars. I'm talking of hundreds and thousands of dollars. That when you bring it into Nigeria, you talk of millions of money. That belongs to ESN to keep them fit, to provide everything they wanted. Nyanya is enjoying in a house IPOB is paying for her. Living a good life. But men are in the bush. Millionaires on our maha. Awunate on our chaha. Hanez agwo. Hanez abe. Hanez ndilo. Hanez ndobodo. Ana atoha bombo. Ana agba hegbe. Ana ewudu ụfọdụ na atụ hanga. Ana egbu ndị ana egbu egbu. Ndị anọ na na ata afụfụ because they said we are not going to keep quiet. And then there are people that say we are going to support these people of this kind. We are going to stand with them. Some of these guys, their parents have died. They couldn't go for the burial of their family members. Some of them, their wives have given birth. They couldn't go to see their children. Some of them, their children have been sacked from the school because they cannot pay their school fees. Oh my goodness me! I don't want to go emotional now, because if I go emotional, I will say things that I'll be keeping for the right time to say about this woman. And people have donated money. People have brought out money to support this woman. And this woman and her cohort, Nwachieke, Okoro, Dr. Okoro, what do you call it, Ndubisi, these people, you are holding money that is meant for people that are fighting to defend our land. And you tell me not to speak. You tell me not to speak. Humanity will remember me. Humanity will be kind with me. Biafrans in thousands of years to come will be kind with me. Prince, Agu Biafra. I am tired of light. I don't stay where there's darkness. They are going to remember me. They are going to see this video and they are going to say, oh, thank you. Thank God we have somebody like this in our midst. Because in a struggle, when you don't have radicals who say the truth the way it is, then everything will go spoiled. These people, some of them got injury and they need to be treated. They need money to be treated. What Nigeria government is for these people to be frustrated. That is why they are using men near to hold the money that is meant for these guys. They want this guy to be useless. That is what they want. They are using them near trying to do that evil, but it's not going to happen because me, I am a Biafran. I am in Biafra land. I have family. I have friends, and I am fighting to defend these people. And somebody is holding money meant for these people, and you tell me to shut up. Hey, we go Babuogi, thunder, fire you, fire your family, fire mama, fire papa. You that say I should shut up, I should stop talking. DOS are doing their best. DOS are doing their best. Whoever that say I should shut up,